In this video, we will learn how to send an email with Python. It's pretty simple. First, I'm going to import SM, SMTP lib, and then from email dot mime dot text import mime text, and now I'm going to create a object of mime text and call it email or mail mime text, and this is body of email, and then with the mail we can set the subject, and I will set it to email test with Python. And now I'm going to set from address from, and this will be from some email.com, and then I will set to address to the address we want email sent to. So it's gonna be to, and, and over here I will set it to email.com, and after this need to set the or create the SMTP object. SMTP equals SMTP lib by calling SMTP and pass in the email server address I'm using on my local machine, so I will just use localhost. You need to set this server name to your email server address, and then SMTP dot send message, and then I can pass in our mail, and after sending the message we need to quit, then SMTP dot quit. This is a pretty simple code to send an email. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.